वेलकम टू रैप्टर क्लासेस। आज हम इस वीडियो में जीके प्लस जीएस के 25 मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हु वाज won gold in 25 मीटर पिस्टल टीम इन एशियन गेम्स 2023? This is current affairs question. And the options are A. Rekha Singh, B. Basanti Rana, C. Isha Singh, D. Deepika Kumari. 25-meter pistol team in Asian Games 2023. Our right answer of the question is option number C, that is Isha Singh. Now come to next question. Where is Keenan Stadium located? And the options are A. Kolkata, B. Jamshedpur, C. Kanpur, D. None of these. Right answer of this question is option number B, that is Jamshedpur in Kolkata. Eden Garden Stadium is located in Kanpur. Green Park Stadium is located. Now come to next question. When was first Battle of Panipat was fought? And the options are A. 1520, B. 1526, C. 1527, and D. 1556. First Battle of Panipat. Right answer of this question is answer number B, that is 1526. And second Battle of Panipat was fought in 1556. Second Battle of Panipat. And third in 1761. So first in 1526, second in 1556, and third in 1761. Now come to next question. Who becomes brand ambassador of Rupee Prime Volleyball League season 2023? This is current affairs question. And the options are A. Vicky Kaushal, B. Ranbir Kapoor, C. Hrithik Roshan, and D. Salman Khan. Right answer of this question is option number C, that is Hrithik Roshan. Come to next question number 5. Which country is hosting the 19th NAM Summit? This is again current affairs question. Options are A. India, B. Bangladesh, C. Uganda, and D. France. Right answer of this question is option number C, that is Uganda. Now come to question number 6. Who is the author of the book Dreams from My Father? And the options are A. Rana Dasgupta, B. Barack Obama, C. Saikant Majumdar, and D. None of these. Right answer of this question is option number B, that is बराक ओबामा. तो राणा दासगुप्ता ने क्या लिखा था? इन्होंने सोलो बुक को लिखा था. साइकांत मजुमदार ने क्या लिखा था? इन्होंने लिखा था द सेंट ऑफ गॉड. द सेंट ऑफ गॉड. नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 7. Who discovered visible radiation? that is electromagnetic wave. And the options are A. Newton, B. Marconi, C. Ritter, and D. None of these. Right answer of this question is ऑप्शन नंबर ए, दैट इज न्यूटन। मार्कोनी ने क्या डिस्कवर किया था? लॉन्ग रेडियो वेव। रिटर ने क्या डिस्कवर किया था? यूवी रेज। नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। विच रिवर इज known as Dakshin Ganga? And the options are A. Kosi, B. Damodar, C. Godavari, and D. Luni. Right answer of this question is option number C, that is Godavari. Kosi in Bihar, Damodar in Jharkhand. Now come to next question. Which bank achieves milestones as first Indian bank RXILS ITES platform? This is current affairs question. Options are A. UCO Bank, B. Yes Bank, C. Bank of India, and D. Bandhan Bank. First Indian bank RXILS ITES platform achieves milestone. Right answer of this question is option number B, that is Yes Bank. Question number 10. Who is the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? And the options are A. Sukumar Sen, B. KVK Sundaram, C. SP Sen Verma, and D. None of these. First Chief Election Commissioner of India. And the right answer of this question is option number A, that is Sukumar. He is first Chief Election Commissioner of India, second Sukumar Sundaram, and third SP Sen Verma. So this is in sequence. First Chief Election Commissioner of India, that is Sukumar Sen. Second, that is KVK Sundaram. Third, that is SP Sen Verma. Now come to next question number 11. Mossad is intelligence agency of which country? And the options are A. Iran, B. India, C. Israel, and D. None of these. Right answer of this question is option number C, that is Israel. इसराइल में मोसाद इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसी है। ईरान में क्या है? ईरान में है सावक, SAVAK के सावक। इंडिया में क्या है? इंडिया में IB रॉ। नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which company terminates $10 million merger deal with Zee Entertainment? This is current affairs question. And the options are A. Sony, B. Sahara, C. Viacom 18, D. None of these. Right answer of this question is option number A, that is Sony. Next question number 13. Artificial intelligence belongs to which generation? And the options are A. first generation, B. second generation, C. third generation, D. fifth generation. Artificial intelligence. Right answer of this question is option number D, that is fifth generation. In first generation, in the field of computer, vacuum tube is used. In second generation, transistors are used. And in third generation, integrated circuits are used. And in fourth, processors are used. Now come to next question. Who take both, sorry, this is mistake, यहाँ पर ओथ हो जाएगा, OATH, ओथ. Who takes oath as the chief minister of Bihar for 9th time? This is current affairs question. A. Nitish Kumar, B. Jitan Ram Manji, C. Tejasvi Yadav, and D. None of these. Right answer of this question is option number A, that is Nitish Kumar. (14) Which is the longest epic of the world? And the options are A. Ramayana, B. Mahabharata, C. both A and B, and D. none of these. Longest epic, very simple question, of the world, that is option number B, that is Mahabharata. Question number 15. What is the national emblem of Bangladesh? Options are A. Lion capital, B. Rose, C. Eagle, D. Water lily. Right answer of this question is option number D, that is water lily. Eagle is the national emblem of Spain. Spain. Rose is the national emblem of UK, that is United Kingdom. Next, lion capital इंडिया. तो आप ये सब चीज़ को रिमेंबर कर लीजिए. नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर आई थिंक 15, 16 ऑफ 15. देयर इज मिसप्रिंट. 16, 17. okay. Question number 15. 215 numbers are come. Okay, don't worry. Where is the Sikh regimental center located? And the options are A. Ranchi, B. Ramgarh, C. Rajmahal, and D. Hazaribagh. Sikh regimental center. Right answer of this question is option number B, that is Ramgarh. In Hazaribagh, BSF training center is located. Question number 16. Where is Orang National Park located? And the options are A. Sikkim, B. Assam, C. Uttarakhand, and D. none of these. Right answer of this question is option number B, that is Assam. In Sikkim, Kaziranga National Park is located. In Uttarakhand, Jim Corbett National Park is located. Jim Corbett National Park, famous for tiger. Now come to next question. Which state is the smallest? Which is the smallest country? Options are A. Brussels, B. Indonesia, C. Vatican City, and D. none of these. Smallest country कौन सा है? And the right answer of this question is option number C, that is Vatican City. And largest country in terms of area, Russia. Next, question number 18. Blue revolution is related to A. fish, B. water, C. oil seeds, D. cotton. Very simple question. Right answer of this question is option number A, that is fish. Oil seeds का revolution क्या है? येलो रेवोल्यूशन। कॉटन में क्या है? गोल्डन फाइबर रेवोल्यूशन। Now come to next question. Question number 19. Which state government launches Praja Palan program? This is current affairs question. And the options are A. Jharkhand, B. Bihar, C. West Bengal, and D. Telangana. Right answer of this question is option number D, that is Telangana. Come to next question. Question number 20. Akbar was the founder of which city? And the options are A. Delhi, B. Allahabad, C. Ajmer, and D. None of these. Right answer of this question is option number B, that is Allahabad. Now question number 21. Who was known as the father of Ayurveda? And the options are A. Charak, B. Chanakya, C. Euclid, and D. None of these. Right answer of this question is option number A, that is Charak. चाणक्य ने क्या लिखा था? अर्थशास्त्र। Now come to next question. Question number 22. Which state to set up its second tiger reserve within in the Kaimur district? This is current affairs question. Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Odisha, none of these. सेकेंड टाइगर रिजर्व्स विद इन कैमूर डिस्ट्रिक्ट, तो वो आंसर कोई ऑप्शन में नहीं, तो ऑप्शन नंबर हो जाएगा डी, दैट इज नॉन ऑफ दिस। कैमूर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में बिहार में टाइगर रिजर्व सेकेंड सेटअप किया जा रहा है। नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. How many wildlife sanctuaries are situated in Jharkhand? And the options are A 14, B 10, C 9, and D 11. Wildlife sanctuaries situated in Jharkhand. Right answer of this question is option number D, that is 11 wildlife sanctuaries. Question number 24. When was the English East India Company first entered in India? And the options are A 1600, B 1602, C 1603, and D 1604. Right answer of this question is option number A, that is 1600. They entered in 1600 in India. What is the meaning of gram in administration? And the options are A city, B village, C town, and D none of these. राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी, दैट इज विलेज। विलेज को ग्राम बोला जाता था एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में इन अर्लियर डेज। सो दिस इज द लास्ट क्वेश्चन। आई होप कि आपको क्वेश्चंस अच्छे लगे होंगे। अगर ये क्वेश्चन आपको अच्छे लग रहे हैं तो आप प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, सो दैट कि मैं इस तरह का वीडियो और लाता रहूँ, जिससे कि आपका नॉलेज गेन हो और आपके एग्ज़ाम में भी ये क्वेश्चंस हेल्प करें क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने में। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे।